Let's learn how to comment sticker on TikTok. Stickers are symbols of your feelings towards a particular video. Hello, welcome to Guys Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be sharing with you how to comment sticker on TikTok. The steps are easy and simple. So the first thing you have to do is to log into your TikTok account. Select the particular video you wish to send a sticker to. Like this video, I really like this video, so if I want to send a sticker to this video, all I have to do is to click on the message icon. You're going to see different kind of sticker. You just select the particular sticker you want to send and click on the send option close to it. So guys, that is it on how to send sticker on TikTok. If this video was helpful, do all to like, comment, share and subscribe. Hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.